Man, I don't know about you guys, but the Daily Sniper Discord absolutely crushed it today. What is going on, traders? I hope you guys all crushed it today. I'm going to show you how I was able to identify the bottom and top of the SPY today, and this all happened in real time, guys. I'm a part of the Daily Sniper, guys. This is our Discord. We have over 900 users. We have Sniper University, which is a new program we're starting about education. We have futures. We have market news, profit, swing trading, everything right here is what you get, guys. And this is where a majority of the chat happens. We live stream every single day at market open. If you'd like to be part of us, guys, link is in the bio. 50% off. Use code NEW at checkout, NEW. Let's get into it. So in this morning's pre-market live stream, we ended up making a separate sloping resistance. Okay, so from yesterday's video, we identified December 6th high and December 11th high had a sloping resistance, right? We ended up having another one, identifying another sloping resistance from December 11th high to December 13th high. Look how beautiful this is. And now look at the 30-minute time frame. We ended up bringing 605 calls deep in the freaking money. What was the confirmation? Look at the 30-minute confirmation. We broke sloping resistance. We tested it as support, and the rest was history. I ended up getting 608 puts and bringing these deep in the money. Why? Because this was my trading plan. If you watched my video from last night, I told you guys, and I also told the Discord, small accounts, cash accounts, the best level to be trading at is going to be the gap to 608. And that's exactly the high. Look at the resistance, right? Look at the resistance. We broke through the gap, filled the higher gap on SPY at 607.46, hit the sloping resistance, and the rest was history. We had an absolute banger of a freaking trade today. 605 calls and 608 puts. Now, every single day, this is how I start my days. I know I sound repetitive, but I want you guys to know. I want you to get into the routine of using and knowing when there's news going to be dropped, right? So this is forexfactory.com. Let's scroll down to Tuesday. Well, let's do Wednesday first. Yes, FOMC minutes are Wednesday. Big news is going to be dropping on Wednesday. So let's go into Tuesday. We just got some Canadian red folders. Nothing too crazy. You know what that means? So it's most likely going to be stagnant for most of the day. Usually for FOMC minutes, guys, Monday we get some volatility. Tuesday slows down. Wednesday FOMC is very slow until the news ends up coming out. So I don't have too high of expectations for tomorrow, but if I see us make a higher high and we hold 608, I'm hitting calls. If not, I'm still going to, this trend line is still in play, and I'm going to be trading this trend line for the majority of the day if it presents itself, right? So if we end up gapping down, we filled the last higher gap on SPY. Where is the best level to be buying calls? We still have an open gap from yesterday at 604.21. If I see weakness of 606, because that was the make or break it level today, and tomorrow it's still the make or break it level. If I see weakness, I'm getting 606 puts, and I'm riding these all the way to fill this gap at 604.21. That is my game plan. If we end up gapping down a lot, I'm going to be using 606 for puts. If we gap up and come back down, I'm looking for 606 calls until I find a resistance. The best levels to be playing tomorrow are going to be 607.66, right? Approximately to 608, this little 40-cent range right here, and 604.21. If we go down to 604, I'm going to be hitting calls. If we end up rejecting this level, it's going to bleed all the way to 601, right? We already know that. So big call level for the range we're trading it, unless we break range. 604, I'm buying calls. 608, I'm buying puts. And guess what? I'm only going to be wrong once on both those trades, because when you go with the trend, you're wrong once. So I'm going with the sloping resistance. If I buy puts here and it breaks, I'm getting out and I'm going to calls. I'm only wrong once. If I come to fill this gap and I get calls here and we slice through this and acts as a resistance, guess what? I am getting puts. I'm wrong once. These are the levels we're trading in. Look at this big range we're trading in over the last few days, guys. So we're still range trading. We know we have the weekly highs of last week and the weekly lows here in purple. These are big levels to be watching. That is it for me, guys. Remember, if you'd like to join our live stream every single day, Monday to Friday at Market Open, the Daily Sniper Discord, the #1 options Discord in the world. The link is in the bio. 50% off. Use code NEW, NEW, and I will see everyone tomorrow. Thank you guys for being here, and stay green.